What's the meaning of coupon? Coupon. Coupon.
Coupon. Coupon. A coupon is a document, usually in paper or electronic form, that entitles the holder to a discount on a particular product or service. Coupons are often used as a marketing strategy by businesses to encourage customers to purchase their products or services. Coupons can be found in various forms, such as online promo codes, printable coupons, and mobile app offers. The discount offered by the coupon can vary from a percentage off the total purchase price, a specific dollar amount off, or even free items or services.